What's up, guys? Me, Garrett, and Aiden are out here in a little WMA field. One sec. Birds are flying pretty good, but yeah, we're out here on the WMA. We got old Chump with us. We're gonna try and kill a couple doves. We'll see how the hunt goes. I've seen a couple birds right now, so if we can shoot straight, we'll be all right.
There goes one. Shoot him, Aiden. Good shot.
Good shot. And you need to get closer to that line.
Got a few of them in here. Talk to them.
How many you got?
One. I shot 3 times.
I got 2.
I think Annan's got like 3.
Yeah, no. Birds were moving pretty good, and we had someone decide they wanted to fly through the middle or drive through the middle of the field.
Nice shot.
No, I think you came back up.
Oh, right over you again.
Dad!
Birds.
Dad! And
We ain't shooting too great. Nice shot. We're on a bird search. There he is. Get him. Well, I tried.
good shot. Trump, come here. Hey, wait, hey, go and try and get some of these. Trump, sit. Trump back. I'm gonna film this while, 1 second. I'm telling them what the deal is. And it's calling my name. So basically, I was shooting pretty good today. In the middle there, it got a little rusty, but I finished strong. And, you know, I don't think Garrett filmed any of it because he was too worried about killing his own birds. So, you know, as soon as I hit 15, Garrett said, "Here, Spencer, come film me." So I'm looking for one of those birds right now. But I think I got some footage of Garrett shooting some birds. Yeah, so I shot a limit. I think we killed a couple other limits, but I think we're about to call it right now and let them come in here and feed. But yeah.
Scouting, or migration report this afternoon. As I watched like 40 doves circle above us. I didn't shoot great. Spencer shot alright.
Shot alright.
Only about 4 boxes of shells today, but he got us 15. I probably shot 40 times, killed I think 8.
Yeah, but who do you see shooting doves? Only Garrett.
Yeah.
Spin's not important. Spin doesn't get filmed.
I done filmed like 4 of you shooting them, but anyways.
All right, so if y'all see 4 videos of me killing doves, then Garrett did an alright job.
Well, you see, that's why I didn't limit is because I was busy trying to film. So,
And busy whiffing.
you know, we got birds dumping on us.
But yeah, I mean,
Hunt's been
Just
called,
tell
so
it's pretty good WMA field.
yeah, not bad.
We'll probably be back here. There goes a couple. I think Andon shot 12, and then there was a good bit of bird shot.
Well, we didn't quite get as much of that filmed as we wanted to, but we ended up with about 80 birds between 7 shooters, I think. So that's like an average of like 7 or 11 and a half birds per person. So not too bad. We just got them cleaned up. Headed home now, but y'all stay tuned, and I'm gonna show y'all my secret recipe. We cook them right around here. So we're pulling a page out of Beefcake's book and pulling a little catch, clean, cook here. So y'all stay tuned.